every failed relationship, every heartbreak, it has shaped me into who I am today. It's made me a better man. It's taught me what not to do. I thank every partner of mine since the very beginning. I'm not easy to deal with. I'm not a walk in the park. I'm 100% not a walk in the park. I come with baggage. I've come with baggage. I've come with trauma. I've come with a lot, and I brought all that. I bring all that with me into relationships. So I'm extremely grateful for all my previous partners and relationships, because and I salute each and every one of them for handling me.
It was difficult to deal with the one, especially, because he was so serious about Amy, that heartbreak.
Yeah, it's different when it's also different when
You learn, no?
Absolutely, you live, you learn. Absolutely, absolutely. So you live and learn. Where I wish all of them only the best and only happiness and only happiness and love and happiness. But I think we were children, it's when you're 25 and you're having relationships in your 20s, it's all very intense. It's all very, very dramatic. It's very dramatic, everything is extra, if I may,
And you were not hiding it.
Absolutely. And not hiding the extra either, It's
Yeah.
just everything was all.
Like I said, the OG real person.
Yeah,
You were never PR trained,
people tried.
Can you imagine people PR training you?
People tried.
They did?
Like in PR, जैसे वो संजय लीला बंसाली जी का जो PR नहीं बोला तो वो फिर बवाली हो गया ना, didn't work.
Yeah.
नहीं तो you should have just left us and gone, and we could have just been ourselves. Yeah, I guess listen, be yourselves.
Yeah.
Be yourselves.
It shows accepting the softer side in an ability to understand your mistakes and acknowledge it and move on and
Yes.
still have respect for each other.
Yes.
I always thought about, because I knew at the time, and I always remember you respectful.
Yes.
I know the world around you was portraying as this playboy in the beginning. I'm sure you agree.
I wouldn't deny.
you.
I wouldn't deny I had a phase.
You had a phase.
I wouldn't deny I had a phase.
What do you call that phase?
What do we call
Playboy
it?
phase? Playboy phase.
Playboy phase.
Ah,
सबका होता है.
Of course, you were young.
किसका नहीं हुआ है?
That's what I'm saying. All the actors.
सब सारे एक्टरों का नाम आप लो, सबका वो फेज आ चुका है. या कुछ महीने या कुछ साल, लेकिन सबके सब एक्टरों के, और एक्टर ही नहीं, एक्ट्रेसेस भी. लेट मी जस्ट ब्रेक इट टू ऑल यू पीपल, ऑडियंसेस. सिर्फ हम एक्टर्स ही मस्ती नहीं करते, एक्ट्रेसेस भी बहुत मस्ती करते हैं. ये बोला है, ये क्या बोलूं, ये कन्फेशन.
I think it's not gender related. Definitely.
Yes, it's not. And hey, why should it be?
Absolutely.
Why should it be?
You were young, you were free, you always single.
We all deserve to have our share of fun and frivolousness and promiscuousness, and
Yeah.
we must. It is a very vital part of every individual's life. उसके बिना
You don't become like this.
इसके बिना ये बिल्कुल, उसके बिना आपको पर्सपेक्टिव नहीं आएगा तो कि आपको क्या नहीं करना चाहिए. बेसिकली उस सबसे होपफुली आदमी सुधर जाएगा, आदमी औरत सुधर जाएंगे कि यार ये सब चीज़ें जो हमने किए हैं 20s में, टीन्स में, 20s में, ये हमें सिखाया गया है हमारे खुद की जिंदगियों ने कि ये चीज़ हमें करनी नहीं चाहिए आगे.
I always thought that because you spoke so fondly about your grandmother and you were brought up by your grandparents and especially your grandmother who was so beautiful, so soft, and so strong
and
at the same.
so strict and an extreme Hitler when she needed to be.
But
But
it's an assumption.
I needed that. मेरे लिए हिटलर जरूरी था.
You think like learning about women came from the way you were brought up as well?
1000%. 1000%. मेरी नानी को वो क्रेडिट दूंगा. औरतों की इज्जत करना. औरत देवी है. So there's been a change in my vocabulary of late. And it's also बार-बार नहीं होता, but I do make a conscious decision. जब बोलते हैं ना कि इंग्लिश में जब बोलते हैं कि God's watching, He is watching. क्यों भाई he God he? क्यों नहीं goddess? She is watching. बोलते हैं ना gods and goddesses. अब बोलते हैं ना God is watching. God, if the gods allow, if the goddesses and gods allow, that's a change in my vocabulary of late. Goddesses and gods, if the goddesses and gods wish, then it shall be. क्यों हर टाइम God goddess भी है. My mother's a goddess. For me, it was always, strangely, when I never spoke to God my entire life. I always spoke to Mom. So for me, it was always.
Like religiously also, like your religious beliefs went that way?
Yes,
you were
when I'm
angry with
praying,
God?
I'm praying to the goddesses and gods. But I was always picturing my mother, always. So for me, she was always the goddess. She was always.
Whenever you celebrate her birthdays, I know that you put her portrait and you do that little puja.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Am I correct?
Yes.
You're going to show a picture on the side because I remember that picture that
Yes.
you put up every year.
Yes.
So you do pray to her.
Yes, every day I talk to her every
She
day.
must be so proud of you. I think so.
I think she is.
I think she is.
I think she is.
Before I move on in this conversation, I have a little bit of a surprise for you. I usually like doing this in the beginning,
Okay.
but this is the right time because you've been so honest about being flawed, about coming across as somebody who's not just fought, but never gave up.
Ji. It's work in progress still.
Work in progress, and I want to show you something. Okay?
Ji.
Okay.
Hi, baby. Here I am. You can see Rocco right there. So I'm recording this video secretly because I'm not supposed to. He's not supposed to know. Well, I don't know where to begin. The last 5 years have literally been the best 5 years of my life, and you are everything I could have ever asked for. He's the best husband. He's been the best boyfriend, and I think I don't even know. I don't have words. The way he makes me feel every single day, the way he loves me, the way he takes care of me. I've just got lucky. And it's been the best 5 years of my life getting to know you, getting to love you, getting to grow together, and getting to learn from one another. And I'm just looking forward to our whole life together. And thank you for being mine, and thank you for being you. You can hear Rocco Bry, so I'm going to go and take care of him. But I love you. Come home soon. I miss you.
Oh my God.
Thank you so much, Priya.
Oh my God.
Thank you for doing this for us.
Thank you for that.
All right.
Feelings are 1000% mutual. I did something right. That the goddesses and gods gave me her. I did something right. मैंने कुछ तो सही किया मेरी जिंदगी में.
You were just telling me I'm still trying to heal.
Yes.
Still trying to believe that I deserve to be loved.
Yes.
Can I give that back?
Yes.
I was holding on to this to make you hear, look,
Thank you.
here's a woman.
Thank you. She is a goddess. All women are goddesses, man. All women are goddesses. This world is nothing without women. दुनिया बनती नहीं औरतों के बिना यार. आप इंसान बनाते हो आपके अंदर. मर्दों को बहुत हम मर्दों को ना बहुत टाइम लगने वाला है समझने में, बहुत टाइम लगने वाला है. Look at the countries that are being governed by women. Happiest countries in the world, New Zealand, फिर फिनलैंड, फिर और कौन से दो चार है, और मस्त चिल कर रहे हैं. women president, women prime minister, कुछ क्राइम नहीं, कुछ नहीं, मस्त अपने सारे जो women क्या बोलते हैं, all the heads of the country, all these women must be just meeting and having fun, and you know, except for the bad time of the month, tab, then no, that's a joke. I mean, listen, I really feel that
Priya,
I really feel that Priya is you know, we were mentioning that I'm extremely grateful for every relationship and every partner, and but I have the most respect and the most gratitude for Priya for accepting me with all my flaws, and for giving me the opportunity to be hers forever and for all our lifetimes. I think it's difficult to, you know, कि अच्छे छोड़ जाएंगे यार, अच्छे हाथ ऊपर कर देंगे कि नहीं भाई, you know, it takes a toll on the other people also when someone has trauma and someone has so yeah,
I'm a romantic. I know you're a romantic.
yes,
And this gives me hope.
absolutely, yes,
You know,
1000%, yes.
A number of reasons, which I'll get into later, but the first thing I want to know is, I want to know the story where you fell in love. In brief, okay. Unfortunately, I have to now do this faster because your team has told me I have only 20 minutes to wrap up.
ये था लॉकडाउन का प्यार, लॉकडाउन का प्यार था ये, लॉकडाउन में हमने एक दूसरे को फॉलो किया. And you know what, actually, let me give you a little bit of backstory. She was engaged to somebody else. She had freshly broken off her engagement. She was a runaway bride, runaway fiance, if I may. She was a runaway fiance, and I was going through a divorce.
Yeah.
For my ex-marriage. I was going through a divorce. She had just broken her engagement, and lockdown happened to all of us. And this was a time where I was kind of vengeful because I was, you know, my marriage had failed and I was extremely vengeful. तो मैंने कुछ 5,000 लड़कियों को मैंने फॉलो कर दिया है इंस्टाग्राम पे. 5,000 खूबसूरत, 5,000 खूबसूरत लड़कियों को मैंने फॉलो कर दिया. उस 5,000 में से प्रिया भी एक थी. क्योंकि मैं लगा अभी मैं दिखाता हूँ उन लड़कियों को, ऐसे मुझे ऐसे, मतलब मैं इतना अच्छा हूँ तो मेरे
Hurting
साथ
from the divorce.
मैं इतना अच्छा हूँ तो मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों होता है टाइप्स. उस जोन में था मैं. तो मैंने सब दुनिया के सारी खूबसूरत लड़कियों को मैंने फॉलो कर दिया, और उसमें से एक प्रिया थी. और लॉकडाउन में हमने उन्होंने कुछ स्टोरी अपलोड की, और मैंने और हम लोग ने एक दूसरे को फॉलो कर दिया था लॉकडाउन में, लेकिन बातें शुरू नहीं हुई थी. थोड़ा फायर वायर यहाँ वहाँ पोस्ट कमेंट पे जो वगैरह. तो एक स्टोरी पे मैंने फायर डाल दिया था. वो कुछ फायर था कि स्टोरी थी कि आई रादर बी हियर देन हियर. आई थिंक द स्टोरी वाज अबाउट being on an island, you know, with beautiful white sand, blue waters, palm trees, and it was absolutely serene. And I think her story was, I'd rather be here than here kind of thing. And मैंने fire डाल दिया. And next thing we know, she gets talking, and we get talking, and I'm like, let's go.
On a date?
I'm like, let's go to this place.
Oh.
This place in her story. And she's like, okay. I'm like, okay, I'm picking you up in my private jet. I'll be down in 5 minutes. See, मस्ती कर रहे थे हम लोग कि मैं आ जाऊँगा मेरी प्राइवेट जेट में, बीच रास्ते में आपकी बिल्डिंग के नीचे प्राइवेट जेट आएगा, आप आओगे, हम डायरेक्ट यहाँ से वहाँ जाएंगे. ऐसे मस्ती में बातें शुरू.
Cute, it's romantic. It's cute flirting.
It's cute
Fine.
flirting. Yeah, it was harmless, just cute. Next thing, we kept chatting, you know, message here and there. The next thing, I asked her for a drive, and she obliged, and that was that. We went for a drive. The next day, I met her again, and the rest is history. We never stopped meeting, and the rest is history.
How did you propose to her?
I proposed to her. मेरा पूरा प्लान चौपट हो गया प्रपोजल का बेसिकली. It was, I wanted to propose to her on the eve of my birthday.
Okay.
28th नवंबर हम लोग जाने वाले थे डिनर. 27th नवंबर हम लोग डिनर जाने वाले थे, और 12 बजे केक वेक काट के मैं उनको प्रपोज करने वाला था ऐसे रेस्टोरेंट में. तो और ये 2 दिन पहले संडे था, तो ये संडे को 26 नवंबर संडे आ रहा था, 28 ट्यूसडे था. Sorry, Monday night ko I was going to propose to her, and this was Sunday. I woke up, and you know when all the great ideas come to men on their throne, if you know what I mean.
Yeah. In the bathroom, in the loo. In the loo.
तो जो throne है, हम जो हम मर्द बहुत पसंद करते हैं हमारा throne, जो
Grand idea था क्या?
बाथरूम में जो क्या बोलते हैं, सिंहासन.
हाँ.
जो बाथरूम में हमारा सिंहासन होता है, मर्दों का जो सिंहासन होता है, जब हम
यूज करते हैं.
जो यूज़ करते हैं, हमें बहुत पसंदीदा हमारा पसंदीदा वक्त हम वहाँ गुजारते हैं. हमारा अलोन टाइम, हमारा मी टाइम जहाँ मिलता है, उस सिंहासन में मेरी ट्यूबलाइट जली. और फिर मैंने सोचा कि यार ये तो बहुत हेक्टिक हो जाएगा अगर मैं रेस्टोरेंट पे मैं प्रपोज करूं, और फिर घर आते आते हमें 1-2 बज जाएंगे, और ऑब्वियसली घर प्रपोज करके तो हम सोने नहीं वाले हैं. 1-2 घंटे बातें करेंगे, हम खुशियाँ मनाएंगे वगैरह. तो सोते सोते 4-5 बजने वाले हैं, और सुबह 7 बजे उठना है हवन के लिए. सॉरी माय बैंड्रा पंटर, उठने का भाई, उठने का भाई. सॉरी, मेरा बैंड्रा पंटर निकल आ गया.
कोई नहीं.
मेरा बंटा है, बैंड्रा बंटा निकल आ गया. 7 बजे उठने का था भिड़ू. 7 बजे तो एनीवे, तो वो सब मैं सोच रहा था. 7 बजे उठेंगे, 4 बजे सोएंगे, 7 बजे उठेंगे, हवन के लिए कुछ एंजॉय नहीं कर पाएंगे. बर्थडे जाएगा तेल लेने, प्रपोजल जाएगा तेल लेने. तो ये 26 की सुबह हो रहा था, 7 बजे करीब सिंहासन में बाथरूम में. तो ले 1 मिनट, आज संडे है. Today is Sunday. We are free. We are home all day. We have nothing to do. This is the perfect time. बिजनेस खत्म हुआ, बाथरूम में मैं जाग गया, चुपके से बाहर गया टिपटो करते हुए, जहाँ पे मैंने रिंग छुपाई थी, वो टिपटो करके वापस आया. मैं सुबह करीबन 8-8:15 का टाइम था. मैडम सो रहे थे मस्त, और मेरा जो वॉक था रिंग के साथ मैडम तक जाने के पास, प्रिया तक जाने के पास, मेरा जो वॉक था, तभी मेरे आंसू बहना शुरू हो गए कि मैं इमोशनल हो गया. सिसकियाँ जाने हो गई मेरी तभी से ही. मतलब प्रपोज करने के पहले ही मेरा चालू हो गया था मेरा. और मैडम सो रहे हैं, उनको कुछ नहीं पता, तो मेरा प्रिया ऐसे शुरू हो गया था मेरा. तो इसी वो क्या हुआ, क्या ये रो क्यों ना, कुछ हुआ क्या? शी एक्सपेक्टेड समथिंग एल्स, कुछ हुआ है, बहुत कुछ ड्रास्टिक हो गया, ये मुझे कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन देने वाला है, कुछ बहुत ड्रास्टिक इन्फॉर्मेशन। और मैंने फिर सिस्कियाँ लेते वक्त मैंने बोला, प्रिया गौतम बैनर्जी, उनका पूरा नाम लिया, प्रिया गौतम बैनर्जी। फिर कहा क्या हुआ, क्या हुआ? Will you marry me? And she was half in a sleep, and her reaction was this. I was like, ma'am, I was on my knees and she was on the bed lying down. I was on my knees. Priya Gautam Banerjee, will you marry me? And she was like, huh? She was literally like, huh? Like, Priya, yes, baby, ring. Ye dekho, will you? She was like, oh, of course. आके मतलब literally her hair was ऐसे मोनिका के बाल होते हैं ना फ्रेंड्स में, ऐसे मोनिका वाले बाल थे। और
It's just the humidity.
it's just the humidity, literally मोनिका वाले बाल थे और मैं मेरे बॉक्सेस में था। और
Cute. So real.
that's how I proposed and
আমি
it was-
তোমাকে ভালোবাসি नहीं बोला।
वो बाद में बोला मैंने, वो बाद में बोला, वो मैंने
And I
बाद-
have to be.
Has
You're
to be।
dating a bong girl. I'm sure you will at some point say that.
हैं
হ্যাঁ? খুব ভালো ছিল
খুব
তুমি।
ভালো, হ্যাঁ।